Hello everyone, welcome to Immense Imaginations.
Thank you.
In today's video, we will write a Java program to create a file, write to a file and read a file. Let's get started. Creating a Java class, including a main method. First, let's create a file. So for that, we have a file class, say fl is equal to new file, and we need to provide the path where we have to create the file. Okay, before that, let's import the file class, and we have to pass the path here. Okay, so I am giving the desktop path. Okay, now you can simply say fl dot create new file. Okay, so it throws a declaration, let's add it, and in desktop I want to create a file, say test.txt. okay, so that's so simple. It's just 2 lines of statement. This will create a test.txt for us. So let's run this program. Okay, let's go check in a desktop. So file with test.txt should be created. So you can see here the file is created with name test. Okay, so now we know how to create a file. So this is for create a file. Okay, now let's input some data into the file, which is write to file. There is file writer class, say fw is equal to new file writer. You have to give the path, so let's give the same path. You want to write to the same file which you are creating, give the path. Okay, now we have to say fw dot write, let's say hello, and we'll enter into the next line, and let's say world. Okay, then let's close this file writer object. Okay, now this should write hello and world in the file. So let's execute this Java program. Let's open this file. Okay, you can see hello and world, and /n we will modify this so that it will enter in the next line. So it is backslash. Okay, now again let's run this program. We'll reopen this. Let's open this test file. So you can see that hello world is written into this file. Okay, now the last thing is let's read from this file. Okay, for that we can use scanner class, say sc equal to new scanner, and we can pass the file object. Let's import the scanner class. Now let's create a while loop. and say while sc dot has next, let's print sc dot next. Okay, so this should read the contents from the file. Let's run this Java program. Okay, you can see that it is reading from the file and printing us in the console. Okay, so now let's change this to something else. Okay, and save the program and rerun it. Okay, it should print us hello and Java. You can see us, so you can see here it is creating a new file, it is writing these contents into that file, and finally it is reading that contents and printing it in the console. So I hope you are clear. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.